Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hello guys, I go by the name Lollipop. Let me give you the latest gist. Yes, let me just officially tell you now that Wasiu Ayinde is the official musician for the campaign of Ahmed Bola Tinubu. Yes, because you need to see him while he was singing to the crowd, and people were in fact there was so much crowd there, and then he even wore a cloth that was that a Jagaban name was written at the back of it, Jagaban, boldly written, in fact. So election has started, so guys, watch out. And Wasiu Ayinde, so is the one singing the praises of the Jagaban. Yeah, so guys, watch out for Jagaban. So watch out for him by 2023. So that's it, guys.